Hi, this is Miss Cindy. I just got finished doing a glitter project on a wood canvas board, and I pretty much enjoyed it, and I like the way that it came out. That's a video I just got finished. So I'm going to try using that glitter again. So I've done it once when I was testing different techniques for canvases, and I liked the glitter, so I turned around and I did a short video on glitter on a wood canvas board. So now I'm going to try glitter on a regular canvas board, and I think I'm going to add some gel to it. I don't know if the glitter will adhere to the gel. I'm going to put glue on it, but I have no idea how it's going to end up. So what I did was, and you can barely see this, but it's just a sketch. I'm not an artist, of some flowers in a vase, and that's what this is going to be. That's what this video is going to be about. I'm going to still use the glitter, but I'm going to also use the gel medium, probably fine. I may use coarse, I'm not sure, to put on the flowers, and then I will put my glue on top of the gel and then the glitter, and let's see if it holds or if it gives you, some sort of dimension. So that's what the next project is. Once I get started, I'll have everything out on the table, what I'm going to use. Okay, I'm back, and what I've done so far is I've just put some coarse and fine and bead gel on only some of the flowers. I'm not doing all of the flowers. I'm curious to see when I put the glue on and the glitter, is it going to keep the defined shape of the petals? So that's one of the tests that I'm doing. I also narrowed this vase down. It was just too wide. And I guess that's about it. So as you can see, I have loads of glitter that I have picked up, over the years for the kids to do stuff with. And so this can be really colorful. I can just go crazy and use whatever colors. I'm using the Elmer's glue for like the small spots. And then I'm going to use my well bond when I have to use my finger and fill in the bigger spots. So that's about it. What I'll do is, I'm going to do this flower first because this is what I'm curious about. And also it's in the middle. The other thing is I think I'm going to have to spray this as I go with the Mod Podge, which is not sitting out here. Only because it's so much detailed work and so many different colors that I think I'm going to have to do a flower, spray it to keep that glitter on and not go over the whole canvas. Anyway, I'll be back as I progress. Okay, so I did that middle flower, and when I put that glue on, I put it on thin enough so that you could still see the gel underneath. But then once I put the glitter on, it's not as pronounced, but you can see a little bit of it. So anyway, I'm going to keep going. That's what I wanted to see, if the gel shape would actually show up. It's very faint, but it does show up. So I'm going to keep going, and I'll come back and I'll show you a couple other sections that I've completed. Okay, all the flowers are done. This is what it looks like. Hope you can see it. I did learn that I can't spray these flowers until I'm totally done, because when I sprayed it, some of the adhesive, some of that Mod Podge went over here. So then when I did another area and dumped it, it stuck to the canvas, but I'm getting ready to paint that anyway. But other than that, it's coming along pretty good, a little slow. I think I'm going to do the background so I can do up top first, since this vase is really, it's big, the butterfly's big, but I got a lot of intricate work to do in between the stems, so that's the next part, and I'll show you when I'm finished. Okay, to bring you up to date, I started the background, and that's only because I had to get in here with a small brush and the glue to get in between the stems. When I was drawing this, I forgot all about that. So I did the background up top to just do that intricate work first. Yeah, it's coming out. It's not too bad. I just got to finish it. I wasn't going to resin this. I was going to just polyurethane it or varnish to put a coat on it, but I may end up resining it. But anyway, I just wanted to show you as far as I've gotten, and I will probably finish this up and then bring it back. I did not get the texture that I was looking for, except for on the flower in the middle, the purple one. So what I did was I took my glue and I sort of outlined the different flowers just to raise it up a little bit. So you can see they have a little texture, but that's just a heavy load of glue. It's not the gel. So I will be back when I am completely done. Okay, here's the end result of that glitter on gel. It didn't work the way I wanted it to work, but I think the reason why is because I did not have that gel on there thick enough. The coarse gel was on the butterfly pretty thick. So even though I glittered it, it still shows. So I think that was my mistake, was that I should have put the gel on a lot thicker so that it would show through the glitter. Anyway, while I was waiting for all that black to dry, I did another small one with that Egyptian head that I had put some glitter on. So all I did was got a small canvas board and did the background in glitter. So anyway, that's it for this project. Please subscribe if you like the content, and give me a likes. Also, come back, guys, because I'm always coming up with something crazy or something different. Have a great day.